Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rafa Abrar and student ID is 15,250,386. Now I want to presentation of English language. So come on guys. Slide 2, Introduction. Research topic. The development and implementation of artificial intelligence in education. Research from 190. Okay, I'm sorry. The development and implementation of artificial intelligence in education. Research from 1993 to 2020 explores various AI tools including intelligent tutoring system, chatbots, machine learning, and virtual learning environments. Why the topic is important? Transforming linear AI shift traditional teaching methods into more adaptive, interactive, and personalized learning experience tailored to individual needs. Academic efficiency, it helps educator automate assessment, monitor learning program, and identify at-risk student early. Future relevance. Understanding AI's role in education is essential for informatics and engineering students to drive modern technological innovation. Slide 3, Article 1, Journal Identity. Article title AI Technology for Education. Recon Research and Future Direction. Authors Kizang and IC Begum Asian. Journal name Computer and Education. Artificial Intelligence. Published in year Elsevier 2021. Research purpose to systematical review empirical research article relates to artificial intelligence in education to identify current educational application, global trends, implementation, benefits, and challenges, as well as future research direction. Slide 4, Summary of article. Research methods. Conduction a literary review by calling 40 empirical research article from the web of science database. Applied 3 main analytical methods: bibliometric analysis, publication trends, content analysis, AI application, and categorical meta trend analysis. Main finding. Grow search AI ad research increased significantly after 2000 and 2015, with the United States and China leading the number of publication. Positive impact. Intelligent tutoring system proved highly effective in boosting academic performance and reading comprehension through personalized feedback. Engagement challenge chatbots in language learning faced a drop in student interest after just 1 week due to the leading of initial novelty effect. Conclusion: AI holds immense potential to revolutionize education into a highly adaptive and personalized environment. However, successfully integration requires robust data privacy protection and strong interdisciplinary collaboration between AI developers and educators to fulfill actual pedagogical needs. Okay, next. Slide 5, Article 2. Digital modeling adaptive cybersecurity behavior and agent-based extension of protection motivation theory. Authors Ayman Tamah Al-Samari, journal name and years of publication International Journal of Cognitive Informatics and Natural Intelligence 2026. Research purpose to evaluate how dynamic adaptive human security behavior compares to previous static theoretical models to assess the validity and suitability of applying agent-based modeling simulation technology to measure cyber awareness to identify the practical implication of behavior change on the long-term effectiveness, of cybersecurity training program. Okay, next. Slide 6, Article 2 summary. Research methods developer the PMEX framework and extended and dynamic version of the traditional protection motivation theory employed again based modeling to simulates 500 digital against representing smart city residents across 50 decision cycle exposed against to a data set of 10,000 URLs mixed phishing and legitimate website within a realistic small world social network structure. Kevin Dick, again using the adaptive PMTX model reduced risky clicks on phishing 11% compared to the static baseline model. Self-efficacy, confidence in threat detection and response efficiency, secure behavior, are the strongest drivers of secure behavior for outweighing threat severity statistics. The effectiveness of training naturally decays over time without reinforcement, but this baseline can be lowered significantly through positive peer observation and social influence. Conclusion: cybersecurity behavior is a continuously evolving and adaptive process shaped by personal experience and social interaction. Static one-time training programs are insufficient. Building long-term cybersecurity resilience requires continuous reinforcement and cultivating a supportive social security culture. Okay, next. Slide 7, article comparison. Similarities focus on cutting-edge technology, but article deeply explore the integration of advanced computer science methods, artificial intelligence, and multi-agent simulation to address complex human behaviors. Emphasis on dynamic and adaptation, both studio highlight that human capabilities, learning behaviors, and choice and choice and choice are not statistics, but continuously adapt based on external feedback and environments. Call for interdisciplinary approach. Both research papers emphasize that technical developers must work hand in hand with human-centric perspective, psychology, and education to build effective system. Difference. Core research objective. Article 1 provides a broad historical overview 100 I'm sorry 1993 to 2020 of all applications across the entire field of education. Whereas Article 2 locuses on a specific targeted simulation model PMTX for human cybersecurity and phishing defense. Methodology Article 1 utilizes a quali- qualitative literature review approach alongside bibliometric mapping, while Article 2 employs empirical computational experimentation via agent-based modeling. Which article is more useful? Answer: Article 2 modeling adaptive cybersecurity behavior is more practically useful for informatics and technical application listening, while Article 1 offers highly valuable macro level introductory roadmap for educational system. Article 2 provides a functional, reproducible computational framework (PMTX) directs directly bias behavior psychology with network data structures and multi-agent system, giving computer science students actionable artifacts for simulating and solving real-world digital security problems. Okay, slide next. Slide 8. Reflection. Now knowledge Galnet. Dynamic behavior modeling discovered that human behavior, both in learning and security, is not static. Habits, awareness, and skill continuously change based on forgetting curves and per influence. The power of social influence. Learned that building self-efficacy, confidence, and maintaining supportive community culture are more effective than simply using scare tactics of that static. 8. Mature trends. Gained a comprehensive understanding of how AI modes have historically evolved in global education system since 1993. If vocabulary learner again based modeling ABM computationally compu- comput- computational methods simulate the action and interaction of autonomous agents to evaluate system level patterns. Small world network, a realistic social network structure where nodes from thick, thick local cluster wide remaining connected a wider community. Intelligent tutoring system and all driven educational software designed to provide customized, customized instruction and immediate adaptive feedback, sensitive analysis or meta trend analysis, advanced analytical methods used to identify key information variables and offering historical trends within digital datasets. Real world application, smarter corporates, IT training, designed to automate phishing simulation lets that do uh, lets that do not just happen once, but constantly adapt to employees, shifting awareness level and team behaviors, personalized at stage development, implementing adaptive machine learning models in student apps to customize difficulty level dynamically and reduce user anxiety, overcoming the novelty effect. Engineering digital products like Catboot with long-term relation loops to so users stay engaged after the initial excitement fades. Okay, next. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.